Basudkar Ghate, Assistant Editor at Efficient Manufacturing Magazine. We have here with us Anup Verma, who is the Managing Director at Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence India. So let's start with the interview. So could you please brief us about the solutions that you are into and that you offer to the industry?
Basically, we are in the quality space. From the design and engineering to shop floor quality, process quality, measurement, and also metal cutting now. And so we are actually getting bigger and bigger that way. So uh, on the shop floor metal cutting, on design engineering, and measurement, metrology, uh, very broadly I can say these three things.
Okay. And what are the new products that has been launched in IMTEX by Hexagon?
See, in IMTEX, we are this time focusing more on the shop floor measurement and the measurement technologies or solutions that we can offer on the cutting machine tools, and that's the why we have one of the machine tools manufacturers machines on the booth also with our probing system and also a measuring system which we call the NC server. So that's something which we want to show this time. We are very well known company for metrology, measurement on the metrology room, but we are obviously have started going out of the metrology room with our portable technology solutions, and now we want to go in the line itself with certain technologies, and that is what we are emphasizing now. Our measuring system in on the machine tool itself.
What trends do you see in the global industry? The trends that you see in the global industrial level, and what are the challenges that is being faced, and what is Hexagon doing to, come back with those challenges?
See, globally they could be, but I would stick to the Indian trends, which is very strong, especially in the manufacturing. So we look at traditionally automotive sector, uh, also aircraft, defense sector has been very strong traditionally, and as Hexagon, we have been very strong in these sectors. Our major business revenue comes from automotive and aerospace. But if you we all know that in the last couple of years, with the emphasis on the electronic, especially the handphones, a lot of investments in India. Electronic sector is going very strong. Our solutions and the presence in this sector is also getting very strong because we have very good solutions to provide for the electronic industry in terms of measurement and in terms of control of the quality. And then the other sector which I can say is coming up has not been as big as what we see in electronic, but what the other sector that is green energy. That's where solar, wind, and also we have very good solutions there. Uh, Wind, for example, has large components, high precision components, and we have solutions, machines large enough, precise enough to measure those kind of components. So, as we see a lot of manufacturing shift in India, be it electronic, be it green energy, uh, we do see these things that is coming very strongly, and for sure we have the solutions for this. Yeah.
So that was Mr. Anup Verma. He has actually provided us with a very insightful things by that Hexagon is providing. I really thank you for watching us. Thank you, Anup sir.
Thank you.